Cobra's Curse. Now, I did not get a chance to ride this last time I was in Orlando. There was a little bit of a time constraint. There's an even tighter time constraint today, but hopefully that will not limit us from being able to get on more rides. But anyway, let's give this a spin. No pun intended.
The darkness awakens my power.
Birds up there.
The darkness of chaos now.
Whoa. Woohoo! Oh, we're just gonna miss Monty. Woohoo! A solid ride. For only like a 5-minute wait too, it wasn't that bad.
Please lift up on your lap, watch your step and exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you.